Look outside the NTS, on top of the NTS Tower building in downtown, looking off to our north, just seeing this blue skies dominating the South Plains weather as well as those temperatures as well. We're currently at 79 here in Lubbock, low 80s to round out most of the South Plains with a few of those locations still in those upper 70s. So a pretty pleasant evening for those dinner plans or just getting around and about. Now the weather headlines for the rest of this week into early next week. Well, the warming trend, dry weather will continue all the way through the weekend with a slight chance of rain coming in on Friday. Not really holding that down at this point because as we have a stronger cold front wrapping into the area, pushing through the area. So questions on how much moisture that we will have into Friday still remains a question, but it will be definitely a little cooler and windy heading into Friday. And then rain chances a little bit more optimistic as we head into earlier next week with the approach of another storm system. Now, the current satellite and radar composite of Texas and most of the southern United States pretty quiet right now. Just seeing a few isolated showers down there near the Brownsville area, but other than that, the state's looking pretty good now. As we look off to the west and southwest, that's where our next storm system will be entering the region as we head into early next week or so. You can see the kind of counterclockwise spin right around just that center of low pressure off the coast of California. Models are hinting that that will drift a little bit further to the east as we head into early next week. Now, as far as precipitations amounts, this is kind of going forward with our longer range forecast models into early next week, still looking at right around 1/100 of an inch of rain by next Tuesday. This is the American GFS model, still picking up on those rain chances, and according to the European model as well, still bringing those rain chances with the approach of that system by early next week or so, but still not holding too much ground on this right now because these will likely change as we head throughout the remainder of this week. But it's just something to kind of keep in mind as we approach the end of this coming weekend. Now, the temperatures for tonight here in Lubbock right around 53 degrees with those clear skies dominating our weather, so perfect for those stargazers. But after a cool morning tomorrow, we'll see those temperatures right around 90 degrees as you're heading out tomorrow afternoon or so. So pack the jackets, light jackets as you're heading out tomorrow morning, but by tomorrow afternoon you won't be needing those anymore, but just under those bright sunny skies and temperatures right around 90 degrees. Now, your extended forecast taking us 90 degrees once again by Wednesday, Thursday, once again lower 90s, and then sharp contrast in those temperatures as we head into Friday with the temperature right around 77 degrees. Breezy at that, so as you're heading out to those evening football games, it may turn just a tad cool out there Friday evening into early Saturday morning with those temperatures hanging in those mid 70s all the way into early next week. So quite right around average for this time of year with those breezy conditions all the way through the weekend. The Texas Tech game is away this time, and then looking at a chance of